Sean, thanks. Now live at 5 claims that Metro Atlanta schools are not doing enough to protect students amid allegations of hazing and assault. Well, now a Sandy Springs law firm plans to sue several districts. Atlanta News First, Rachel Aragon is live at 5 in DeKalb County. And Rachel, attorneys claim these schools violated Title IX rights.
Yet a reminder for all, again, Title IX really meant to level the playing field for everyone, making sure everyone has the same access to programs in sports, education, and school activities that are federally funded. Well, local law firm in Sandy Springs talking to the media earlier, they say Title IX also offers protections against instances, for example, against sexual abuse, assault, coercion, and even hazing. The firm alleging violations happened, though, at schools in Carroll County, DeKalb, Douglas, Gwinnett, and even Washington counties. The cases they claim involve situations between students and situations between teachers and students. Well, the Sandy Springs law firm says schools have been deliberately indifferent to dangerous conditions or actors, and they say fail to properly respond. Well, we spoke to other attorneys who say it's going to be pretty hard to prove schools' intent. They also add how the firm is pursuing these cases against public schools is a novel approach.
It's attacking the injury in a school setting from a different perspective, going through Title IX rather than the traditional lawsuits of through Section 1983. This is a new attack using Title IX, using equal protection, and we'll have to see how the courts interpret it.
Now, Atlanta News First did reach out to all 5 previous mentioned school districts about a potential lawsuit coming their way. Several did respond, saying they do not normally comment on potential or pending litigation. Live in DeKalb County tonight, Rachel Aragon, Atlanta News First.